Welcome to the second episode of Bowhead's Fit for Life, Fitting for Comfort series. In today's video, we'll show you how to adjust the backrest on your Bowhead era. Having the right backrest angle can make a big difference for posture, stability, and overall comfort. Your era, your fit, your freedom. This is the one adjustment that can be made while seated in your era and doesn't require any tools. All you'll need to follow along is your wheelchair, of course, you, and possibly a friend or a soft transfer surface in case you can't reach the turnbuckle yourself. We'll guide you step by step so you can confidently adjust your backrest whenever you feel the need. Let's get to it. Step 1. Know your directions. On your era, turning the backrest turnbuckle counterclockwise will tilt your backrest forward, and turning it clockwise will recline it back. Keep this in mind as you make your changes. Step 2. Get ready. Lean forward slightly to take some pressure off the backrest. This makes the adjustment easier and safer to perform. You might also have a friend nearby or use a soft surface to transfer if you can't reach the turnbuckle yourself. Step 3. Make the adjustment. Your backrest has 20 degrees of continuous adjustment. Slowly twist the turnbuckle in the direction you want. Tilting forward can support active tasks or transfers, while reclining back can add comfort for relaxing or longer sitting. Adjust until it feels right for your posture and comfort. If possible, make this adjustment while seated so you can feel the micro adjustments as you go. If you need to transfer out first, that's fine too. You can always test the feel once you're back in the chair. Step 4. Stay in the safe zone. After adjusting, check the turnbuckle to ensure you haven't gone too far. No threads on the turnbuckle should be exposed. Staying within the recommended range keeps your chair safe and stable. Step 5. Test and fine-tune. Sit back, move around a bit, and see how this feels. You can continue to make small tweaks until your backrest supports you perfectly. And remember, your backrest angle affects your center of gravity and daily positioning, so a little fine-tuning can go a long way. In this video, we showed you which direction to turn your turnbuckle to lean forward or to recline back. We also showed you different ways to access the turnbuckle, whether you can reach it yourself or maybe you need a friend to help out. And we encourage you to make this adjustment whenever you feel the desire. Remember, even small adjustments can make a big difference in the overall comfort and fit of your era. Thanks for watching this episode, and be sure to check out the next videos in our Fitting for Comfort series to learn more about how to adjust your era. If you have any questions or need additional support, you can always reach us via email at the address in our description below, or you can book a one-on-one fitting service appointment with one of our specialists. We hope these tips help you get the most comfort and performance from your era, and thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next video.